Hello kids. Color pen name: sky blue color, orange color, yellow color, black color, red color, light green color, pink color, and brown color. Sunday. S U N D A Y Sunday. Monday. M O N Mon D A Y Monday. Tuesday. T U E S Twist. D A Y Tuesday. Wednesday. W E D N E S D A Y Wednesday. Thursday. T H U R S D A Y Thursday. Friday. F R I Friday. D A Y Friday. Saturday. S A T U R D A Y Saturday. Bye bye kids. Bye bye.